If you've ever been bombarded with many notifications or missed an important one because everything else was buzzing, you are in the right place. I'll show you how to turn off or on all notifications for any app, whether you're using a Samsung like this S22 Ultra or a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone. Stick around to the end because I'll show you the steps for your phone brand too. Trust me, once you master this, your phone will feel so much more peaceful and organized. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with Samsung users first. But remember, even if you're using Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, iPhone, your turn is coming up shortly, so stay tuned. So we go by, you open the settings app. You can find it in the app, or you can go here to open the settings and you tap on notifications and you scroll to app notifications. This one, app notifications, and you will see a list of all your apps. Find the app you want, toggle the switch on to receive notifications or off to block all notifications for that app. This is great when you want apps like Instagram or TikTok to chill out a little, or silence game notifications during work. So if Facebook is always sending me, oh, this person has befriended you, oh, this person blah blah blah, you can go here and you can either silence the app. If you touch here, it will silence the notifications. Okay, now for Tecno, Infinix, and other HiOS, whatever, you go to your settings on your phone, you scroll to app and notifications or app management, depending on your version. You tap app notification, you select the app you want, you toggle it on or off to allow notification. This is perfect for shutting up those apps that just won't stop sending pop-ups at night. And then steps for OnePlus phones, you go to settings, you go to app and notification, you tap notification, you select the app you want to manage, you toggle the allow notification switch on or off. You can tap deeper to customize if you want to mute sounds but still show banners. For iPhone users, you open the settings, you tap notification, you see a list of all your apps. Tap the app you want to manage and toggle allow notification on or off. On iPhone, you can also customize if you want notifications to appear only on lock screen or notification center or as banners. So a quick reminder, managing notifications is super practical. It keeps you focused, saves battery, and even protects your mental space. You don't have to be disturbed by every little app anymore. You stay in control. Take 2 minutes to set this up and thank yourself later. And that's it. Whether you're on Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or iPhone, now you know how to quickly silence or allow notifications for any app on your phone. If this tutorials helped you, please hit that like button, share with a friend who needs this peace of mind, and subscribe for more quick and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.